Hi everyone! For today, we'll be talking about power of a power rule of exponents. So we have here the general formula, x raised to m raised to n. So all we have to do is to multiply n times n. So we have m times n. So let's apply this rule to this one. X raised to 5 raised to 6. So we have to multiply 6 to 5. So that is x raised to 5 times 6, that is x raised to 30. Next, so in this case, sa dalawang variables natin siya i-multiply. So we start with 4 times 2. So we have a. 4 times 2 is 8. And then multiply it also here. So for b, 5 times 4 is 20. Next, so meron naman tayong tatlong variables dito, x, y, and z. So we multiply this one. So for x, you have 3 times 5, 15. Y, multiply also. 3 times 3, 9. And then z, multiply. 5 times 3, another 15. So our answer here is x raised to 15, y raised to 9, and z raised to 15. Next, how about this one? M raised to 1/3 and O raised to 9. So we multiply this one. M. So let's write 9 times 1, 9 over 3. We also multiply this to n. So again, kapag walang nakasulat, meron niyang 1 automatic. So n, 1 times 9 is 9. And then also to O. O, 1 times 9 is 9. So let's simplify yung m. So that is m. 9 divided by 3 is 3. N raised to 9. O raised to 9. Then last, x raised to 1/4, y raised to 3 over 4 raised to 8. Comment down your answer on our comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!